Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the matter. The matter you see that you have seen the chair, you have seen the table, you have seen your cupboard, you have seen your board, you have seen your pencil, you have seen the soils, you have seen the bricks, you have seen the house, you have seen the tree, you have seen anything, every object surrounding you. So that are matter. That is made up of matter. And you can say it as a matter is a name of matter is anything which occupies space, have mass, and can be perceived by ourselves. Like we can feel it, the temperature. So that is a matter. Like this object. So this object is an matter. How can you say that? That this is an object. This occupies space. I kept this, and this occupies some space. I could not make an other object kept here if this object is here, and in this thing there is a mass also, and it can be presented as our sense. You can see it is presented as our sense also. So this object is it is the object or this is a matter. So this is a matter. So after that, what kind of things the matter are made up of? The matter is made up of atoms and molecules. So the atoms are the particles which are smaller, which are too much smaller. It is an extreme smaller part and of a matter, and it can exhibit all the properties of the matter, and it cannot independently exist. It cannot independently exist. And now if the groups of atom join and come at the same point, then it is form a molecule. And the molecule, it is it is also a small particle. You cannot see it with a naked eyes or an ordinary microscope. So that and that molecules is an of the small. It is also an extreme small part of an matter, and this the that the molecules that also says all the properties of the matter, and that the molecules always exist freely, that are independently existence, that exist freely. But atom does not exist freely in the nature, but the molecule exists freely in the nature. So when the molecules combine, then it forms and the molecules can form the different kind of atoms and the same kind of atoms. So that was about the thing that was the matter made up of. So the next one is the particles of matter. So the particles of matter, there are some states of matter. There are actually five states of matter, that is a solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and the last one is Bose-Einstein condensate. So in 7th class we will study about only the three. So the first one is solid. So the solid, in the solid, in this the molecules are arranged in a manner. So the molecules are tightly packed, and that the part tightly packed is known as the intermolecular space. And the force between that is the force between the two molecules or more than two molecules is known as the force of attraction. So in that in solid, there is it is tightly packed, so that we cannot it cannot flow. We cannot push it, or you cannot push the molecules. You cannot arrange the molecules. So if you will try harder, then it will broke. So that was about the molecular, the intermolecular force of attraction and the intermolecular space. Intermolecular space means the two molecules when join, together that attract each other. So there will be space between them. So that space is known as the intermolecular space. So that was about the intermolecular space. Now the second is the in the liquid. In the liquid, there is a they are loosely packed than the solid. So in that the molecules are loosely packed. It doesn't they attract each other, but not like the solid. So that it can flow. It can flow, and in this the particles of matter are arranged in a zigzag motion. So the zigzag motion is you can say that it can move here and there and here and there. So zigzag motion is known as the Brownian movement. So the Brownian movement was discovered by the robot Brown. So the Brownian movement is that so they move here and there. So that movement, that zigzag movement, is known as the Brownian movement. So the second that the so that's why the liquid flow, and the liquid doesn't have the fixed shape. If it doesn't have a fixed shape, but it have a definite volume in which container you will keep the liquid, keep that liquid or water. It will be it will take that shape only. If you will keep in a jar, then it will take the jar shape. If you will keep it in glass, you will it will be at glass shape. And when you will it at the tap at the cap of anything, then it will take that shape. So its shape does it its shape is not defined. Its shape are not definite, and in solid, the intermolecular fold in the solid they are definite volume and it have a definite shape. Now in the gas, so now in the gas, it is the most it in this the the intermolecular force is too much low. It doesn't they are too much loosely attracted, and the intermolecular space are too much, and so that can move here and there. They can flow here and there. They can fly. They can do so. It doesn't have a shape, fixed shape in which container you will keep it, so that it will take, and it doesn't have a definite volume also. So that was about the gas. So you have studied about the matter, three states, and the Brownian movement, the zigzag motion, the intermolecular force of it attracts on the intermolecular space. So that we have studied in this another video. So in this video, this much only. Let us meet in the another video.